Assalamu alaikum, Kim Cho, and welcome back to the Trend Diaries. You're listening to Nidhi Jain, and in today's video I'll be creating this colorful rainbow pride makeup look for the month of June, and this is our way of celebrating and supporting and showing a love for the LGBT community. And so this makeup look, I hope you guys really enjoy watching this. And I have used all Sugar makeup products in here. Half of them was sent to me by them for this video for Instagram, while half of them are purchased by my own coin. So if that really bothers you, you might even just skip out this video. Just a disclaimer right there. So I started off by using the Aquaholic hydrating stick. It was my first time that I used it, and I applied it all over my face and underneath my eyes on the puffiness, and I really loved its smell. Then primed using the Face Forward primer stick. Then use the foundation stick from Sugar. Now if you know me already, you know that I do have a really dry skin type, and this foundation does cling on to the dry patches of my skin. But this time that I used the hydrating stick plus the primer, the foundation just glided on my skin like butter. You can see over here how effortlessly the foundation was going. And as I was also using a damp beauty blender, the blending process was just so much easier. And also because of using a sponge, the coverage that I got was much sheerer than the coverage that we get with the foundation brush. So if you want a sheerer medium kindish coverage with this foundation, then use a beauty blender, and if you want a full beat coverage, then use a flat top kabuki brush. After that I use the Face Forward contour stick, which is in the shade 02 Espresso Edge. Now if I just forget to mention any names of the products, just check the description box. I have everything listed over there as always, so you can find all the names and shades over there, because here I'll be more into explaining the process. So basically I just applied the contour stick on the perimeters of my face and around the bridge of my nose and under my lower lip, and blended it out using the same sponge, and then filling in the sparse gaps of my brows using the Arch Arrival brow definer. The most loved brow definer on this channel is this. Definitely get this if you're looking for a good eyebrow pencil. So once I'm done with that, for concealing I'm using two shades. Firstly I used my skin tone matte shade, which is Con Pana, and applied 2 dots underneath my eyes, and then used a highlighting shade right underneath my eyes. Just 1 dot is enough, little goes a long way with this one, and blended it all out using the pointed edge of the beauty blender. You see I'm just bouncing the blender and then taking whatever is left on the blender on my eyelids, so that even they are primed in the process. And then for my blush, I'm again using the Face Forward blush sticks. I basically look like a joke over here, but I used both the shades and applied it on both of my cheeks. I mixed both the shades, okay, so I'm not applying one shade on this side and one on the other. I've just mixed both. And then for my highlighter I used this. Now when I first used this one, I just applied it like that, just the way you're seeing it on the screen, and blended it with my finger. When I did so, I felt it was still kind of glittery, but this time I blended the highlighter out with the beauty sponge, and oh my god, you guys, I felt as if the beauty sponge just lifted up all the glitter or something. My skin was just looking glowy and lit. It was like a glow from within kind of effect, and I absolutely loved it. Even close in the mirror I could not see the glitter specks. Loved it. And here as you know that this concealer does crease, so you have to like pat out the creases before you set them down with a loose powder. So just mind well with that. So I'm using the Set the Tone loose powder which I bought, and yeah, many things I've bought over here, but the haul is yet to come. I'm gonna shoot it short. I got my periods and so I did not shoot it. Anyways, I did set just the oily zones under my eyes, right around my mouth and areas, and not the entire face, because I wanted my base to look still dewy. And then for my lips today, firstly I'm using My most favorite lip shade from the Matt as Hell lip crayon range. Yes, you guessed it right, it's Claire Underwood, and I applied it all over my lips and just appreciating the beautiful color. And then over here, starting off with the Pride makeup, I first used the shade Scarlett O'Hara on the perimeters and outermost edges of my lips. This is the red shade that we'll be going in with all the rainbow colors. Next in, I used the Smudge Me Not liquid lipstick and applied the shade. This is an orange, bright orange color. Now what I'm doing here exactly is I'm applying it and then blending it in and out the previous color. Here I'm using the Eyes and Shine eyeshadow crayon, I guess that's the name, and basically it's a gold shade, so I'm using it as a yellow color for symbolizing yellow, and then going in back and forth and smudging it, like blending the two shades just with the help of my finger so that I get a nice gradient. Once I'm done with warm tones on one side, I'm going in with the cooler tones on the other side of my lip. Firstly, I use the Suede Matte Lip color. This is a plum kind of shade, so I used that, and then I used the eye pencils over here. Now working with this was so much easier than the lip crayons, just because they are much more sleeker, slimmer and pointy, and so I can work easily on my lips. So I use the blue and the green shades. I do not remember their names, they will be listed in the description, guys, so you can check that out. Basically I just went back and forth with the colors just to blend everything in so that, you know, there's no harsh edges seen between two shades. So once I'm done with that, I'm going in with the same color scheme right underneath my brow as well. So I went in first with the red, then the orange, and then the gold shade. So basically, as the Pride flag does have all the 7 colors of the rainbow, and that's the basic theme over here. So I repeated the cooler tones on the other eyebrow, underneath my other eyebrow, and just, you know, drew a straight line with those colors. I absolutely love these eye pencils though. They were so creamy and pigmented. I loved them. I tried them in my waterline, but they did not like last for a long time. They did smudge, so yeah, they are not like very long lasting, but beautiful colors, I must say that. So once I'm done with that, what I did was just blended the front shades into my nose contour so that it does not look harsh, and then used the double matte eyeliner from them and drew my wing liner. Now it's very difficult for me to film an eyeliner tutorial. You can see over here I am like into my mirror totally. I just go in the mirror while doing my eyeliner, and I'm a mess always. I never get my wings correct. So I'm like doing the wing, I'm drawing the wing, I'm wiping it again, and again I'm drawing it. So it's like a task. So yeah, that's the wing liner. Basically I tried to even the wing liner on the other side as well, but I just messed it up, and so I'm like wiping it off and drawing it again. Tell me if you are like me. So yeah, that's how I drew my liner. Basically I drew a thick liner as I was having nothing else on my lid zone, so I used a thick liner over there, and then just coated my upper as well as lower lashes with the Lash Mob Limitless mascara. A really good mascara, you guys, and that's it. That is the finished look. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this colorful Pride makeup look. So that was my take on the Pride makeup look, trying to show out my love and support for the LGBT community, because they are no different than us, and I hope you guys really enjoyed this. If you do recreate, then don't forget to tag me in your post. And that's it for today's video. That's a wrap. I'll have all the names and details of the products because I hardly mentioned any. I was blabbering a lot, so I'll have them all listed in the description. You can check them out. And yes, that's it for today's video. I'll meet you guys soon in my next one. Till then, take care. Namaste. Stay healthy. Ghar par rahiye, surakshit rahiye, and bye bye. I think I forgot to say namaste and keep trending.